Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of my PHP videos. And as I said in the last video, this is going to be a tutorial where you can update your profile picture. Okay, so in the last video I showed you how to create a script and upload a picture to be a permanent picture to whatever session ID, okay, for each and every page. Now I'm going to show you how to update. We already have a form to update some values for each user, okay, and let's go right now to that page. So in here, let's type localhost test site home, and let's see. Okay, the first thing I want you guys to do is to register a new user, and this new user is going to be let's say, let's type profile 1 and profile 1 at hotmail.com and password 12345 and 12345. Choose a picture. I'm going to choose this one here. Register. There it is. And now log in now. Name profile 1 12345. Login. There it is, our picture. Okay, so now we have a profile session set. The name of the user is profile 1, and the picture that we want to use is this one here. So if we go also to our local drive, XAMPP, htdocs, test site, we have profiles, and inside profiles we have profile 1, which is the only user that we have available for now. Okay, profile 1. If I click profile 1, images, and this is the picture that we are using. Now what I want and what I'm going to create is a script to rename. Okay, in the case that that the user wants to change the name, we will change also the name of the directory. Okay, so if I change the name from profile 1 to profile 2, this we will rename this to profile 2. Okay, and also if the user updates a new picture, we will overwrite this picture here to the new one. Okay, so let's go to edit user, and if you click there, we are able to choose an ID to edit. But normally in a normal social network, for example like Facebook, we can only edit our own values, right? So let's just imagine that we can only update our values, and our values are in ID 100, okay, which is the profile 1 name user. So click there, 100, and this is where we are going to edit. So for now we can edit the name, the email, and the password. And I'm going to do another input here saying update your picture. Okay, so you can update whenever you want the picture. So let's open. First of all, I want you guys to open Notepad and the file edit.php, which is the file that holds this form, and we have to do some little changes there. So open, and XAMPP, htdocs, test site, and edit.php, open it. And okay, the first thing I want you guys to include here is after form and before the method here, we have to type the enc type. Okay, and this is a line of code that you need in HTML to every time you have a form with uploading files. Okay, so enc type multi-part slash form data, and the action is in change.php, so we can open change.php because we will edit that file as well. Okay, and down here I want you guys to take this out. Okay, and I will tell you later why. And save. And here, right here, we will put the input for uploading a file, a picture file. So let's type change picture, and then input type equals file, and name of the file. Name of the file, this is not name of the file, is the name of the input. So name is going to be new upload. And let's close this, and let's give it a paragraph here. And we have the button submit. Let's give it a name here as well. Name submit, the value save and update, and a hidden where we have the ID. Okay, so let's save this, and if we go here and refresh, perfect. Okay, so now the password, I took that request inside PHP here, and here, where is it? Here. Okay, I took that out because now this will be in blank. So if you want to change the password, you just have to type whatever you want. If you want to leave that in blank, the password will be the old password, so the same password that you did have before. So in here is where we can click and choose a new picture. Okay, but the thing is, for example, if I click here to and let's leave that in blank and choose this. This is the one that we had before, but if I change this to a new images, save and update, your values have been updated successfully. Okay, but the values have been updated successfully to the database, but the picture, okay, if now I log out, session destroyed, and now if I go in here and type profile 2 and 1 2 3 4 5, probably the password is incorrect, because the password before, where we were before, here, the password here, okay, is in blank. So that password that I have now is a blank space. Okay, so you see, if I enter without a password, we go inside, but we have a bunch of errors, and these are the errors that we have to fix. So this is normal because we didn't edit yet the change.php, and this is where we're going to process all the changes. And also I found a few mistakes here too, also when we have to update the new email and the new name and a password. we have to change some little things here as well. So this is not a correct script to update, and it's not secure at all. So the first thing that we want to do, if you don't have this session start, put it there, copy that, and let's go here, and the first thing that we have to type is an if condition to say if posted, so if that form before was posted, you can run this code, else not allowed. And what this will do is to avoid that someone can go in here and just type here change.php, and it will go inside, or it can do some changes in your database. So that's a security issue. So to avoid that, let's type here an if condition, and if is set, and now let's type post, which is the method that we are using. You can use post or request, okay? So here we will type we will type post submit, which is the name, I think the name, yeah, that is the name of the button, of the submit site button here. So if we click post submit, do this code here, else echo not allowed. Okay, so that security issue is now it's now correct. Okay, so now the second thing that we have to do is create some new variables here. The same variables that we created when I first taught you how to upload a file. And those variables will hold the name of the file, the temporary name, and the type of the file.